Good morning, children. Till question number 24 of exercise 5.1 we have done. Now 25th I am taking, in which we are given a function fx as sin x minus cos x for x not equal to 0 and equals to minus 1 if x equals to 0. We have to examine the continuity of f. Okay? This function you can see is defined for the entire real line. Not equal to 0, it means less than 0 as well as greater than 0, and equal to 0. Okay? Definition is getting broken at 0 only, so we need to check for x equals to 0. Okay? At x equals to 0, functional value is sine 0 minus, at x equals to 0 it's given minus 1 only, so we don't need to put there. Fx is equal to minus 1 for x equals to 0. If we get right hand limit as well as the left hand limit equal to this, the function will be continuous at x equals to 0, otherwise not. Okay? So left hand limit will be limit, हम किस पे चेक कर रहे हैं? We are checking at the point x equals to 0 and we have seen the functional value at x equals to 0 is coming minus 1. Now at the same point x equals to 0 we need to go for left hand limit as well as for right hand limit. ठीक है? तो left hand limit हो जाएगी limit x tending to 0 negative fx, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 f 0 minus h. Less than 0 or greater than 0, both are non-zero one case. In both the cases x is not equal to 0, so we will put the value of take this function value, right? So it will be limit s tending to 0 sine minus h, 0 minus h is minus h itself, है ना, and minus cos of minus h. If we put limit, अच्छा पहले साइन को भी बाहर ले आते हैं. Sin minus theta is minus sin theta, so this is minus sin h and this is minus cos h only, because in case of cos minus theta it remains cos theta only. Then on putting limit, this factor will become, this term will become 0, sin 0 0 हो जाएगा, and this will become cos 0, that is equal to 1, and outside we have minus, so it will be, on putting limit, this is equal to 0 minus 1, that is minus 1, right? Let's see what is the right hand limit coming. Right hand limit will be limit x tending to 0 positive fx, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 f 0 plus h, that is equal to limit h tending to 0 f 0 plus h. For right hand limit also we have this value as the functional value. Function is defined as this only, so it will be sine 0 plus h, that is sine h, minus cos 0 plus h, that is cos h. On putting limit, this term is going to vanish, sine 0 0, minus cos 0 is 1, so it is again minus 1. LHL is equal to the RHL is equal to f0. This implies at x equals to 0 fx is what? Continuous. ठीक है? Now we don't have to check at 0 only. वो कह रहा है discuss the continuity, तो हमें और points भी consider करने पड़ेंगे. Now let c is greater than 0, then limit x tending to c fx will be equal to, नॉन ज़ीरो के लिए आपका फंक्शन की डेफिनेशन ये है sin x minus cos x, so it will be sin c, this is just a formality to write cos c, ठीक है, and that is equal to fc. Also for c less than 0, limit x tending to c fx, functional value क्या आ जाएगी? Again the same definition will follow, sin c minus cos c, and that is equal to the functional value. This implies fx is continuous at all points, ठीक है, is a continuous function for all real numbers, right? So it has no point of discontinuity. उसने कहा examine the continuity, so it is continuous for all real numbers, we can say. Now we have question number 26. I am taking along with this. That's a bit important also. And this type of first question we are going to do, in which we have to evaluate a constant. ठीक है? क्या कह रहा है? Function is defined as fx is equal to 26th. fx is equal to k cos x upon pi minus 2x if x is not equal to pi by 2. n is equal to 3 if x is equal to pi by 2. ठीक है. If your x is not equal to pi by 2, x is not equal to pi by 2, then functional value is k cos x upon pi minus 2x, and if x is equal to pi by 2, then functional value is equal to 3. ठीक है. We have to check at which point x equals to pi by 2 पे check करना है. ठीक है. Not we don't have to check. It is saying that find the value of k so that the function is continuous at the indicated point in the exercises 26 to 29. This is the indicated point at which we are given that this function is continuous. हमें check नहीं करना है, हमें given है कि continuous है. It means left hand limit will be equal to right hand limit. That will be equal to the functional value as it is continuous. तो कंटिन्यूटी का कंडीशन यही तो होता है कि लिमिटिंग वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू फंक्शनल वैल्यू, और वहाँ से इक्वेट करके हमें क्या निकालना है, के निकालना है. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट के. ठीक है. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट्स लिमिटिंग वैल्यूज फर्स्ट. एट एक्स इक्वल्स टू पाई बाई 2, दिस इज द इंडिकेटेड पॉइंट एट विच वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट एफ एक्स, continuity of fx. So its left hand limit will be limit x tending to pi by 2 negative fx, pi by 2 negative, fx, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 f pi by 2 minus h, that is equal to limit h tending to 0 f pi by 2 minus h. Function is defined as x as this for not equal to pi by 2. So as we are taking left hand limit, तो this is the definition that we need to take, right? क्योंकि ये तो exactly pi by 2 पे वैल्यू है, ये फंक्शनल वैल्यू है. लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट एज वेल एज राइट हैंड लिमिट हमें कहाँ से मिलेगी, वेयर एफ एक्स इज डिफाइंड फॉर नॉट इक्वल टू पाई बाई 2. क्योंकि पाई बाई 2 से लेस हैं आप, पाई बाई 2 माइनस एच आप ले रहे हो एक्स का वैल्यू, तो इट मीन्स वी आर कंसिडरिंग एक्स नॉट इक्वल टू पाई बाई 2. तो ये हो जाएगा लिमिट एच टेंडिंग टू 0 के कॉस पाई बाई 2 माइनस एच upon pi by 2 minus twice of pi by 2 minus h, that is equal to limit h tending to 0 k cos 90 minus theta will become sin theta, so k sin h upon pi minus 2 into pi by 2 plus minus minus plus 2h, so pi will get cancelled, and here it is limit h tending to 0 k sin h अपॉन सी, यहाँ पे भी लिख लेते हैं, लिमिट एस टेंडिंग टू 0, दिस इज के साइन एच अपॉन पाई माइनस पाई प्लस 2h, है ना, पाई माइनस पाई प्लस 2h. सो दीज टू आर गोइंग टू कैंसिल. सो हियर आई एम डायरेक्टली राइटिंग ट्वाइस ऑफ h. नाउ k by 2 is a constant, we can take it out of the limit. This rule of algebra of limits you have studied earlier. Limit s tending to 0 sin h upon h, and this is a special limit and this is equal to 1. ठीक है. तो ये क्या आ गया, k by 2 आ गया. Similarly we need to work out for the right hand limit, that is equal to limit x tending to pi by 2 positive f x, that is equal to limit h tending to 0 f pi by 2 plus h. For f pi by 2 plus h again we have to take out this definition. ठीक है. तो यहाँ वैल्यू रख देंगे, that's again equal to limit h tending to 0 k cos pi by 2 plus h upon pi minus twice of pi by 2 plus h, that is again equal to limit h tending to 0 cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta, because for this we have second quadrant and second quadrant में cos negative होता है, तो this is minus of k sin h, right, upon this is what pi minus h. ब्रैकेट खोलोगे तो आपका क्या हो जाएगा, 2 से 2 कैंसिल होके पाई देगा, एंड दिस इज माइनस h इनसाइड, सो पाई विल गेट कैंसिल एंड दिस इज माइनस ऑफ h, माइनस माइनस विल गेट कैंसिल. अच्छा ये 2 भी अंदर आएगा. व्हेन वील मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 दिस विल बी ट्वाइस ऑफ pi by 2, sorry, minus 2 into h, so 2 is also there with h. Minus has got cancel, again we can take out this k by 2, limit h tending to 0 sin h upon h, and this is equal to 1, so k by 2 into 1 as k by 2. This is a special limit you need to mention here, limit theta tends to 0 sin theta upon theta क्या होता है आपका 1 होता है. ठीक है. So right hand limit and left hand limit both are coming equal to k by 2. Now as fx is continuous, as as fx is continuous at x equals to pi by 2, which is the indicated point, as fx is continuous at x equals to pi by 2, so left hand limit should be equal to the right hand limit should be equal to the functional value. ठीक है, these both are equal to k by 2 है ना, k by 2 आ रहा था, and this is equal to the functional value which is equal to 3. So by cross multiplication we can say k equals to 2 3s are 6. ठीक है, so this is the value of k.